Okay.
27 September 2025. We will develop Samatha and Vipassana. Develop Samatha by keep follow your breathing. Even you look at me, listen to my talk, your mind, your heart keep follow your breathing. Can you keep follow your breathing? From your heart. Then after that, when you keep follow your breathing, then we will contemplate death. Then it more wake up, okay? But first develop the power of mind. Keep follow your breathing, even in daily life, okay? You got to practice. Sometimes keep follow your breathing. Even you talk to people, keep follow your breathing. Listen to people, keep follow your breathing. Don't pay attention to anything outside. Keep follow your breathing. Mindfulness of breathing. Awareness of breathing from your heart. Okay? But you need to sit upright and sit mindfully first. Okay? Sit mindfully, that means you got more consciousness wake up. If you sit, keep follow your breathing and sit like this, then you got thought. Okay? Okay? Sit mindfully. Then stay mindful and conscious. See your thought become less. See your body reaction. See how you're doing. And when you keep follow your breathing, see how you doing. When you keep follow your breathing, can you see the result of follow your breathing? You get calmness and power of mind. Okay? You see from mindfulness. Okay? And then develop awareness here. Awareness by keep follow your breathing. And mindfulness, seeing what happening. Okay? Seeing with no thought. Okay? Seeing with no thought, that means seeing this sitting posture first, sit body action first with no thought, and see how you're breathing in. When you see from conscious mind, your breathing go long and deep. And together, your heart, this is your mind and your heart together. Your mind, see how you're breathing, how you're sitting, how you're breathing, how you're sitting. Your heart keep follow your breathing. Okay? Then your heart get more awareness of breathing every moment and get more powerful mind. Now Samatha first. Keep follow your breathing. And mindful seeing, observe and see. Okay? Notice and see how breathing in. Seeing by observe, seeing by notice, and seeing by awareness of the whole body. Seeing by awareness of body outside, you see from awareness how you movement, and awareness and notice you see by mindfulness notice. Then this is mindfulness and awareness outside. You need to develop mindfulness and awareness inside. Okay? Mindfulness and awareness inside by keep follow your breathing. mindfulness and awareness outside by relax the whole body and get awareness and see and mindfulness and observe. Okay? Okay? So now the Buddha say develop mindfulness and awareness outside and inside together. Okay? That's why I give you new technique. Keep follow your breathing. This will develop awareness inside. Okay? Normally you focus your breathing. Watch and focus your breathing. This is mindfulness and awareness outside. Okay? You watch from clear mind, free from thought. And then clear mind, 90% still sleeping in your subconsciousness here. Then clear mind here, if you keep follow your breathing, keep follow your breathing, it's very simple. Then clear mind here, more consciousness. Before you wake up already, consciousness mind here, according to psychology, all being, all human being, wake up with consciousness, consciousness knowing what he doing, what he thinking, what he speaking, about 10%, 9 to 10%. Okay? But lost with emotion. This is all desire, emotion. Then you need to wake up more consciousness here in your subconsciousness, a lot of emotion, a lot of desire. Then you wake up here 10% and 90% here by keep follow your breathing. Okay? Now you wake up more from 10% to 20, 30%. Okay? Before you wake up 10% and sleeping inside 90%. Now wake up 30% and wake up by seeing and observe and notice. Observe the way you sit. Observe the way you talk. Observe how you thinking. Observe. This is mindfulness. Help your mind wake up from thought. But when your mind wake up from thought 10%, but your heart not wake up from desire, attachment, is still 90% attached here a lot. Okay, 90% is here. Okay, so this is the psychology say all human beings wake up about 8 to 9%, like an iceberg. On the top of iceberg about 8 to 9%. The bottom of iceberg in the ocean about 90%. You got freezing inside here, freezing with desire, attachment. But we start from 10%. Okay? Sit mindfully. How you sit mindfully? Watch and observe yourself. Not by eye. When you watch, you go back. Watch yourself from behind. Okay? And observe. This is, we start from 8 to 9%. Then from 8 to 9%, it becomes 20, 30%. Then you feel more consciousness open here. Okay? And to develop from consciousness here backwards about 10% or 20% to develop to 50%, 70%, 80%, you need to develop here. Because it's like the iceberg freezing in the ocean 90%. Okay? Freezing in your desire, satisfaction, dissatisfaction, sensual pleasure here 90%. So that's why when you wake up 10% and you want to wake up another 90%, then you just develop mindfulness and awareness here by keep follow your breathing. Normally, your heart follow people, follow what your eyes see and follow, oh, beautiful, I like it, then you got desire. Or follow people, talk, speak back to you, what you follow when they speak back to you, you feel angry. Okay? So here, we keep follow our breathing. Then when people speak back to you, you keep follow your breathing. Then you not pay attention to what they say. Even they speak back, you're not angry. You keep follow your breathing. Okay? So now you know the concept. Now we develop mindfulness awareness from 10%. Observe awareness and see about 10%. But to wake up, if you wake up here 100%, you enlighten. Okay? So we develop more wake up from 10%. I not expect you wake up more than 50%. It take time. I expect you wake up about 30%. Enough. Okay? Okay. Because you still got a lot of illusion and delusion and a lot of attachment. It take time. But when we practice, we can wake up our mind, not only 10%, can wake up more, 20%, or about 20-30%. This is already very good. Okay. So now, when you keep follow your breathing, you still rely 80-90% of delusion, desire, attachment, hold your mind, not wake up. Okay. But anyhow, don't worry, don't fight. Just keep follow your breathing. Keep follow your breathing naturally. Okay. Before your mindfulness, awareness lost, you go with emotion. Now, mindfulness and awareness by keep follow your breathing, then you got awareness of your breathing more clearly. Okay? Keep follow the whole day. Keep follow your breathing, and you have two options. The whole day, keep follow your bodily action. Okay? Step up, step down. Keep follow. Okay? And now you're sitting, keep follow your breathing. Or in Vipassana tradition, they keep follow rising of the abdomen, falling, keep follow. You got abdomen movement or not? Can you keep follow? But today we keep follow our breathing. Because breathing, more you can keep follow, you can go deep into your pure mind. Okay? If breathing long and deep and subtle, if you can still keep follow, then you can clean and clear your mind. Okay? But anyhow, in the beginning, keep follow your movement, stomach or abdomen rising, falling. That's okay. But if you want to clear and purify your mind, your heart, breathing is the most important system. The Buddha purify his heart and enlighten. Okay? So the Buddha enlightened with the system of mindfulness and awareness of breathing. But anyhow, the Buddha tell us you can develop mindfulness and awareness of bodily movement, bodily action, sitting, walking. But the Buddha enlightened with mindfulness and awareness of breathing, even soft, gentle, and subtle and deep. The Buddha always keep follow his breathing every moment, and then the Buddha mind wake up. Okay? Or the Buddha nature wake up. Okay? So now open eye first. Just relax. See yourself by awareness, mindfulness of body. Okay? Mindfulness and awareness of body, see sitting posture, see bodily movement, but see your kilesa, defilement, or desire attachment by mindfulness and awareness from your heart with breathing. Your heart keep follow your breathing. Then you can see desire and attachment hold your heart, not allow you to free from desire and attachment. Okay. Now keep follow your breathing every moment with relaxing of the whole body. Then you got both mindfulness awareness outside of the whole body, and keep follow your breathing. You got mindfulness and awareness of your heart. Okay, mind and heart wake up together. Your mind wake up with mindfulness awareness of bodily movement and breathing, but you want to wake up from all desire attachment. Then your heart also mindfulness and awareness by keep follow your breathing in to the bottom. Then it clean and clear all dirtiness at the bottom gone away. Okay, keep follow your breathing out. Then all dirtiness gone away. We go inside to explore, observe and explore and aware of all defilement, attachment. And when keep follow your breathing out, it release. Okay. Can you realize when you keep follow your breathing, you go into singleness of mind, not distracted mind. When you not distract, your mind don't distract. All dirtiness gone away. Waiting out, you can feel all desire, attention gone away. Okay? Okay. You understand now? So don't have to close your eye. This technique, because usually you focus your breathing. This is in the level of thought. But today I tell you, mindfulness and awareness outside from bodily movement, okay, and from relaxation. Then you can see from your mind free from thought, okay, but your heart still attached to something inside. So now we just together open your eye, because when you open your eye you feel more wake up. Okay, because this session we do meditation into our heart. Into our heart, you don't have to close your eye. If you do meditation into your mind, still your mind from thought, then you have to close your eye and focus. This is samadhi. We call mundane meditation. Mundane mean it still got stuck. Okay, but here we develop super mundane meditation. Super mundane meditation, that means clear all dirtiness gone away. Okay. If you do concentration, this is only temporary calmness, only temporary when you do concentration. When you not do concentration, you got a lot of thinking again. Okay. So we call mundane meditation. Okay, mundane meditation, that means only stop your mind from thought. Okay, but super mundane meditation clean all kilesa from your heart, all kilesa, desire and attachment. So today we develop super mundane meditation, or Lokuttara Samadhi is in your heart. Okay, super mundane in Bali word Lokuttara. Mundane in Bali word Lokiya. There are two kinds of meditation, Lokiya and Lokuttara. Lokiya only calm down your thought, calm down your mind from thought. Lokiya we call mundane meditation. Super mundane meditation, Lokuttara, that means you go on the way to enlighten. We enlighten here. Okay, we enlighten here. So now just your eye with me, and then not lost, not blur, and then relax, more relax. You got awareness, mindfulness from the whole body, relax. Then you got consciousness wake up, 10-20%. But how about 80%, 90%? you need to develop here mindfulness and awareness of breathing from your heart by keep follow your breathing in naturally. Keep follow your breathing out. You can listen to my talk. I can talk to you, but I keep follow my breathing. More I keep follow my breathing. The Buddha say, breathing will calm down your mind. All trouble in your mind, disturbance in your mind, gone away with the power of breathing. Okay? Keep follow your breathing. Even you drink water, can you keep follow your breathing? If you not keep follow your breathing, then you got desire, drinking, eating with desire. You just count money. You not keep follow your breathing. You follow your bank note. You got desire. But you just count your bank note, but keep follow your breathing. No desire. Okay? Understand now? Okay. So now we develop Lokuttara Samadhi in your heart. If you develop concentration, usually the word concentration is to steal your mind from thought. Okay? It's the first step of meditation. We call mundane meditation. But today, I would like you to develop super mundane meditation or Lokuttara Samadhi. Okay? Keep follow your breathing in. Even I look at her, I keep follow my breathing. I not keep follow her. Okay? I keep follow my breathing. Okay? Very good.
Susan drove. Stephanie Dana.
Okay. Now I can use now. Satu. I'll leave here.
Okay.
Keep follow your breathing in. Today, meditation so simple. If you do meditation from your heart, you can talk to me, listen to me, but follow your breathing. Can you turn inwards? Evil people dancing in front of you? Helly, a beautiful girl dancing in front of you. Can you keep follow your breathing? Keep follow your breathing. Then you get your awareness from here wake up. Okay. Your husband speak bad to you. No, you keep follow your breathing. You're not angry. Okay. Your wife speak bad to you. You keep follow your breathing. You're not angry. And then when you're not angry, you got mindfulness and wisdom, how to talk to your wife and husband. Okay. Normally, when you practice meditation, you do concentration from your mind. Focus. But I tell you, just watch. Okay? Focus is from your thought. But focus from your mind. Can you link your eye look and watch mindfully. How to look and watch mindfully. When you look at a diamond, 5 karat, you look and inside watch mindfully. How cutting, calibration, nice cutting, color, or get good quality or not, you watch mindfully it from inside. Okay? But if I give you stone, you not watch. You only look at the stone and not watch because it no price. Okay? So now this watch. Now you listen mindfully to my talk. This is good enough already. Listen to my talk. You calm. You get calmness from thought already. Okay? You get calmness from thought already. But now, when you get calmness from thought, doesn't mean you got calmness from desire. or attachment. You still got a bit desire and attachment. Okay? So now, just mindfulness, see yourself by listen mindfully, look and watch mindfully. Then you got mindfulness, see yourself together. Then you get calmness from thought. But how about calmness from desire? You need to do meditation in your heart. And in your heart, so simple. I found this technique by the same word in Thai. Keep follow your breathing. This is by Luang Pu Phut Thà Ni Yo. He used this technique. Luang Pu Phut Thà Ni Yo. Kolat, Nakhon Ratchasima. He passed away already. Okay? And he also Ariya monk. Okay? And he always tell his follower, just keep follow your being. So simple. Whatever happening in front of you, keep follow your being. Okay? And then your mind calm and cool. Your heart calm and cool. Okay? You can think, but your heart not distracted. Your heart calm and cool. Okay? Keep follow your breathing. Even you talk to people, listen to my talk, or even you do typing, keep follow your breathing, or even you writing, keep follow your breathing. Then you got calm and cool and calm and not distracted mind. Okay? And now, this when you more keep follow your breathing more and more, you got clean and clear and power of mind. Then you can contemplate that with good result. If your mind, your heart still fill up with anger, fill up with desire, it's not good quality to contemplate that with accept and understanding. If you still anger, a lot of anger, then cannot contemplate that. Okay? But anyhow, calmness from thought first. And then, now for example now, because you already keep follow your breathing and you feel cool and calm and cool. And then now contemplate that or realize that. When you realize that it got a gap, your mind just got a distance from your emotion. It got a distance and wake up. Okay? Normally when you got anger, you got close to your anger, no distance. Close to your desire, no distance. That is attached, no distance. But when you contemplate that, the knower wake up. Okay? And now, when the first session, when I just tell you what I will teach you, I will teach you the first session, keep follow your breathing to develop calmness and power of mind. When you got power of mind and then you contemplate that or realize that, it got consciousness wake up and got a distance, and then you can see you still got scary or not, or you okay, you can accept, you can see wholesome feeling, or if you not have power of mind, you only contemplate that, maybe you don't have power enough, then you can not see clearly, or you see you still got a lot of scary. Okay? Now sometimes contemplate that. Now contemplate that. Realize that. What happening? It got a distance from the knower, a distance from the knower and emotion. Okay? It got a distance. Okay? More contemplate that, then more you get awareness of 6 components of body. Now this is vipassana. Okay? Contemplate that now. because I already told you keep follow your breathing, keep follow your breathing, and then your heart not distracted. Then you contemplate that now, okay? And you feel wholesome feeling because you got keeping follow your breathing until breathing calm down your mind from scary, from any worry, and then when you contemplate that, no worry at all, okay? So the first part is samadhi, the second part is vipassana, okay? You can switching, okay? Or you can do both. Keep follow your breathing and realizing that together. Samadhi and vipassana going together. Keep follow your breathing, realizing that together. Realizing and accept. Realizing with accept and letting go. Okay? Realizing that together with accept and letting go. So you can do both together. Keep follow your breathing with accept and letting go. Attachment. No scary of that. Keep follow your breathing. Then you have more conscious mind. Wake up from scary. Okay? Your conscious mind. Oh, I'm okay. I'm ready. Today, tomorrow, I'm dying. I'm have no problem. Okay? Anyhow, because today we start samatha and then we develop vipassana. Samatha very simple today because I just give you more practice mindfulness until you get more consciousness here from thought. Thought arising, you got consciousness. Thought disappearing, you got consciousness already. Okay? But now when you want to develop more consciousness from desire and attachment, you need to develop power of mind, samadhi in your heart. Normally you practice samadhi in your mind, okay, by concentration, okay. But หลวงปู่พุทธานิโย I just translated from his teaching. Just keep follow your breathing in, keep follow your breathing out. Then you get mindfulness and awareness wake up from inside. Okay, that's all. หลวงปู่พุทธ very simple. Can you keep follow your breathing and make sure you sit upright and get consciousness here, because more consciousness here 10%. When you keep follow your breathing, it's easy to wake up 90% here. Okay, you start from 10%. 10% not lost. Your eye look, your mind seeing clearly. Now here your eye look, you got seeing clearly, and when you listen to my talk, you hearing clearly. Where is hearing clearly? Where is seeing clearly? Seeing clearly and hearing clearly is your consciousness mind. Okay? Now can you just develop clear consciousness mind? 10% wake up more a bit, maybe 50%. Okay? Or 20% first. Then after that you clean your mind free from thought. Then next step, clean your heart free from desire and attachment. Okay? So we have two samadhi. This level we call Lokiya samadhi. This level we call Lokuttara samadhi. Okay? Lokiya samadhi, free from thought first. Free from thought by not lost, not blur. See clearly, hear clearly. See clearly, look and see clearly. Listen and hear clearly. Hear clearly, see clearly, see. Because you have to listen to my talk and you have to look at me where you got see clearly and hear clearly. In your conscious mind, when you hear clearly, no thought. When you see clearly, no thought. Okay? Clearly see clearly, hear clearly is your conscious mind. Wake up, like it go backwards, okay? And now I just train you this morning session. Look up and open your conscious eye. Conscious mind become eye. Look up, okay? And then you know where the clear conscious mind in the level of mind free from thought is here. And then when you know this is conscious mind free from thought, then stay conscious here and not make any thinking or judgment. Stay conscious here and just keep follow your breathing, no judgment at all. Normally you still got judgment. Master, how to follow my breathing? Master, this way correct, this way correct. Oh, anyway, when you got no thought, then correct. If you still got thought or doubt, not correct. Okay. Now keep follow your breathing in with conscious mind. Wake up 10%. Keep follow your breathing out. Lokiya Samadhi to Lokutara Samadhi. Lokutara Samadhi, you need breathing, go awareness of breathing, even soft, subtle breathing, more soft, subtle breathing. It can clean and clear all desire and attachment gone away. Okay. Keep follow your breathing in and relax. Now, Lokutara Samadhi, no posture. Okay. You can massage yourself, relax yourself, and you can watch television. Keep follow your breathing. Then wow, follow my breathing. Then you watch television. Then you not get any entertainment because you keep follow your breathing. Before you got entertainment from television, but when you keep follow your breathing, wow, just see television but no entertainment. Oh, okay, turn off television and then keep follow your breathing. Okay. So when you keep follow your breathing, people speak bad, no, you're not angry. People speak good, you're not satisfaction. Okay, you're not lost with satisfaction. Okay, or not lost with dissatisfaction. Because whenever you keep follow your breathing, your heart never go out. Okay, your heart always clean and clear with your breathing, and it's very simple. That's why you can practice keep follow your breathing the whole day in your daily life, work and activity. Keep follow your breathing. Okay. Okay. And then more keep follow your breathing here. Is more consciousness connect here. Okay. And now keep follow your breathing. And more awareness of your breathing. More come up here. Now you got the naughty boy wake up already. The naughty boy sleeping in subconsciousness and very stupid, don't know what good or not good. You want to do good, the naughty boy tell you doing this thing not good. You want to stop cigarette, the naughty boy say one more cigarette. Naughty boy. When you keep follow your body breathing more and more, it become good boy. Okay, good boy. Now you have good boy, and good boy contemplate now. This body not you. One day go illness, aging, and death. Oh, but only one word. It go to death one day. Not put too much word. Illness, sickness, aging, and death. Too much. Death enough. Good boy say, oh, one day you must die. Yeah, I agree. You accept? You accept. You accept, then consciousness, it become more clear, consciousness wake up. And then you can switch to your being. And then what more I practice? When you accept, then don't worry. keep follow your breathing again. Okay, keep follow your breathing again. More you keep follow your breathing, then more you contemplate that. Okay, I'm ready. And keep follow your breathing again. And realize that, not chanting that, not say word that. No, maybe keep follow your breathing, and then how about this body one day die, and then just one time only, one time. Question your mind. Are you okay? I'm okay because I know my home. My home is my breathing. Okay, I got home already. Keep follow my breathing. Okay. One time question all enough until you forgot, you lost with thought, you lost with desire again. Then one time question, how about you still realize that? Oh, sorry, I forgot. Now I realize that. Then I don't do something bad. Okay, realize. And then when you realize one time, and then you keep follow your breathing. Just one time and realize your breathing. Realize that and keep follow your breathing until every breathing you accept that it happened in your heart. That's why the Buddha say, Ananda, how much do you contemplate that a day? 1,000. The Buddha said not enough. The Buddha contemplate that every breathing. Okay, so today I just bring you to the Buddha practice, contemplate that every breathing. But first you have to train your mind, your heart, keep follow your breathing first. Now it contemplate that by itself because you got one time question. 15 minutes again, remind in your heart that, and then keep follow your breathing. And then maybe half an hour, remind yourself that, and then keep follow your breathing. Or maybe you lost, then 2 minutes again, remind this knowing, this your heart, remind your heart, and this body must die. Okay, if you accept, then you keep follow your breathing, but inside accept that already. Okay, inside accept that. Okay, so now until you got always intuition, it got intuition, accept that every breathing already. Okay, and now just keep follow your breathing with awareness of that, accept that in your heart. No chanting, no word, no word in, no word that, no. Only realizing and then relax and keep follow your breathing, and you see what happening when in your heart accept that and let go. When you cross your eye, you feel more consciousness here. Okay, more consciousness, more wake up. Okay, from 10% it become 20%, and if you become more and more, I don't know how much percent, but more and more, this is Dhamma eye. Okay, Dhamma eye, not lost, not falling. Your Dhamma eye always lost with desire, falling again with desire and attachment. Okay, now Dhamma eye all the time. Dhamma eye is equality of mind. Even you walk, Dhamma eye not movement. Your hand move, Dhamma eye not movement. Your breathing move, Dhamma eye not movement. Okay, we call stay conscious. You become conscious more and more. Okay, and Dhamma eye conscious more and more. It come with space element, consciousness element. Okay, and more conscious mind with more relaxation. You got space element together. Then you can rely deep into your heart. You still got residue. Then you ask again, deep in your heart, you scary of that or not? Oh, a bit. Then just realize that one time again, and then keep follow your breathing. That one time, and then you go inside. You know, when you realize that, your mind go deep into your wake up into your subconscious. This is how to wake up in your subconscious. That are you accept? Then you wake up in your subconscious, and then you wake up in subconscious and keep follow your breathing from subconscious mind turn over become conscious mind. Okay. Now keep follow your breathing from your heart and keep upright and spine up and conscious here. Otherwise you got thought. Okay, conscious here. And keep follow your breathing in. Okay. You can close your eye or you can open eye. You get more gladness if you accept that and not scary. Your heart got smiling with gladness. Okay. Keep follow your breathing nicely, gently, and smiling hard. Consciousness become more higher consciousness, higher consciousness, higher consciousness. Keep follow your breathing from your heart with accept, understanding, and letting go attachment to this body. Or with realizing that and accept that, not scary, accept. When you accept that, then you wake up from deep into your subconscious and wake up. Wake up with gladness, smiling nicely, gently in your heart. And wake up with seeing. Your heart becomes seeing. You got seeing from the within. Seeing this sitting posture from the within. Seeing this sitting posture and breathing in, breathing out. You got seeing from the within. And relax the whole body. Then you get more awareness of the whole body. And keep follow your breathing from the starting of breathing in to the bottom of breathing in and starting of breathing out to the end of breathing out until your mind become one with breathing. Your heart become one with breathing. More your heart become one with breathing, it's smiling with gladness. Keep follow your breathing from smiling in your heart with gladness, and then it undistracted mind. In the beginning, it is still distracted a bit. Just keep follow your breathing every moment. With knowing and seeing from within. Knowing from within. Seeing from within. More you keep follow your breathing, your mind, your heart become one with breathing. It become synchronous of mind. You got knowing from within, how you sitting, how you breathing, seeing from within, how you sitting, how you breathing. And breathing become soft and gentle, more softness and gentleness. You got knowing and seeing from the within. Anyhow, just look up. Also will help you get more awareness. Wake up more and more. Look up. Smiling up. Now you look up, smiling up. It wake up your heart more and more together. And just stay mindful, know what you know, see what you see, look up, smiling up, stay mindful and stay conscious. Know what you know, see what you see. You got knowing and seeing from the within your heart already. Now you go on the path, okay? Go on the path to develop more vipassana, seeing from the within, knowing from the within. Before you seeing from backwards, okay? In the samatha level, you see from backwards, or you practice mindfulness, wake up, you seeing from backwards. But now you keep follow your breathing from your heart. You got seeing your breathing in and out from your heart within. Okay? And your heart not distracted. Not only not distracted, your heart becomes smiling and glad. Knowing and seeing from the within. Knowing, seeing from the within. And together, realizing death. Are you okay? Are you ready? You accept or not? Then you get more power of mind to accept. Body not you, not your. Never mind. Death come today, never mind. Then your conscious mind become good boy, wake up. Okay? Save your soul. Or your good boy become wake up. Okay? Save your soul, your spirit. It lost. Now it become good boy, wake up. Then you feel more conscious over the whole body. Your good boy become one with the whole body. Body consciousness become more. Eye conscious become more. Ear conscious become more. Okay? Tongue conscious become more. Nose conscious become more. Because good boy wake up, then it become consciousness everywhere. Okay? Before it not consciousness everywhere, it got thought everywhere, every time. And it got desire and attachment every time. Now it got consciousness more and more every moment. And now just realize death deep in your heart. Are you scary death? Okay, a bit, or not scary at all. Good boy, wake up. Now just question. Are you ready if you dead today, tomorrow? You can feel something. Hold some feeling more and more. Wake up because you got awareness. Keep follow your breathing until your mind, your heart become good feeling. Hold some feeling, goodness. Sometimes you forgot your breathing at home. When you ask your mind, are you scaring of death? Oh, scare or worry. Okay. So you need together go to awareness of breathing. Keep follow your breathing to clean and clear your mind, to make your mind, your heart more consciousness, not scaring of death. Okay. When not scaring of death, then it contemplate this body into four elements. Okay. Into four elements: dirtiness, action, movement, and breathing. It see the whole six component of body when not scary of death. Oh, this is only anicca, dukkha, anatta. It's not you, not your, this body. Before you cannot see because you not accept death. Okay, now you accept death, this body. Never mind. I come alone, I go alone. Okay, but now you worry a lot about your children. you got a lot of worry in your heart. Then keep follow your breathing. Just do the best for your family, but not attached. That means ready to let go anytime, because we cannot expect things will happen. Death will come to you anytime. We don't know, but you ready every day. Make everything ready. Speak good to your children, to your family. Doing good, take care good. But if you contemplate death, oh, I still got fighting with my wife, with my family, then you have to go correct yourself in your daily life. Okay, because you do bad karma and you don't know. Okay, you take 5 precepts, but you angry with your wife, husband. Now go back and give forgiveness. Okay, this is bad karma. Okay, bad karma. Or somebody do bad to you and you clinging 1 year, 2 years, you still clinging and feel suffering because they really did bad to you, bad thing to you. Okay, someone. Okay, but now you see it's not good for you. Okay, because your mind, your heart become unwholesome feeling. Then when you go to death, you go to the darkness, lower level. Then just go to daily life, talk to him. Okay, I forgiveness everything you did bad to me. I accept forgiveness. Okay, correct yourself to develop good karma. So this is our purpose to practice samatha and vipassana. Vipassana seeing the reality. Reality, what is the reality? Good karma or bad karma, more or less. Then you correct. Okay, correct. Let go and not do bad karma again, develop more good karma. You correct yourself, doing more good karma, doing more good karma. Okay. You do meditation, you not know the purpose. You only, okay, I feel joy, happiness, calm, and then you still got quarreling and speak bad and still angry and still attached and still attached to your opinion. Now you attach to your opinion. When you die, oh, very heavy. Okay, now just big heart, accept everything. Better. Big heart, big heart. And now you feel good. Even you open eye. Sometimes keep follow your breathing. And then you free from all worry. Okay? Or scaring. No scaring at all. Gone away. Keep follow your breathing. And keep follow your breathing. Today you wake up about 20% more. Keep follow your breathing more and more and contemplate that. Then you can get more distance from this body. Oh, it only arising, disappearing. It only 4 elements. Then you wake up more. How you know you wake up more? If you wake up more, you can see the whole 6 component. Now you wake up a bit, you only see your breathing. But if you wake up more, you can see your breathing and 4 elements. You wake up more, you can see your breathing and 4 elements and dirtiness. You wake up more, you can see everything in the 6 component. Okay? This is full awareness. Full awareness. Okay? And then this is very simple. Now keep knowing inside with awareness of breathing by follow your breathing all the time. When you have time, follow your breathing. Okay? Don't be angry. Not do any bad karma. When you keep follow your breathing all the time, you don't do any bad karma. Okay? You want to do only good karma. So this is our purpose. So I just realize. Actually, I don't realize as well what for before enlightened and what is before enlightened. Good karma more. Wow! Now I'm happy now. I know how to break the way. Okay, good karma. Okay, good karma. Okay, you do business, good karma. Okay, fair business. No, not unfair business. Okay, unfair business, right? You do business, build a big project, condominium. But before the project happened, many poor people living there. You maybe okay by law. You are right, but you make people away from home, 100 family away from home. Then if you do this business, we call unfair business. Then you got karma. They yao. You go to dead. And then you feel you finished the project, but you got cancer. This is from your karma. Okay. So you do fair business. Not make people suffer. Okay, this is fair business. Now people don't think, they think about money only, or investment and money. They don't think about people's suffering or not. Okay, you have to think because the law of karma is straight away. Okay, so now then the law of karma. Then in this life, I just do good karma, not angry. And develop more metta, more loving kindness. Then this is the law of karma will give the result. Even in this life, next life, you get more prosperity, both in your worldly life and both in the Dhamma as well. Okay, authority. So now it's easy to go on this way. Can you smile? Smile first. Good karma. Okay. Smile and feel good. Okay. And not feel bad and not make people feel bad with you. Oh, sorry. Now go back and apologize your friend. Sorry, I make you feel bad. Then we got karma together. Okay. No. Now even a little karma with your wife, you just yo. Oh, now in Singapore, one guy, he go into space, into calmness, into consciousness, into near to the jhana state. But when I give him realizing death, are you ready? He not ready. He not have good 5 precepts, and he speak bad to his wife. He try to go into calmness space. Oh, cannot. When realizing that something whole. Before I teach him go to space, he can do very fast. Okay, calmness and space, and he enjoy calmness meditation. But last time I teach him, you must go to your heart, realizing that. If realizing that, if you ready, then it go to awareness, wake up more and more. But he realizing that, he lose all awareness. He got scary because he do something bad to his wife, and he not have 5 precepts. He drink alcohol a lot. Okay, something like that. Then when he realizing that, he cannot get into calmness. Now you have time to correct yourself. He say, I go back and say to my wife, please keep my apologize, okay? And he say, Ajahn, he will tell my wife, Ajahn Vimok, tell him, okay, to do good karma. Then you go back home, good karma to your wife. People don't know. They always sit meditation for 2 hours, but inside you got all anger, desire. Even people speak bad a bit, you feel upset a lot and you angry. Okay, so now this is, you don't know. Your meditation not develop good karma, not good. Your meditation must develop good karma. This is most important, because the purpose of teaching, you can rely in the last teaching of the Buddha before the Buddha passed away. Doing good karma, not do bad karma, and purify your mind. Okay? This, even you not sitting meditation, but you do good karma. Okay? Not do bad karma, and purify your mind. Relax, smile, and metta. You already get the purpose already. Okay? You go on the destination already. Okay, understand now? You just evaluate your karma here. Okay? Now, you evaluate your karma here now. Before, you just go to space, consciousness. Now, you quite difficult to go to space, because when you evaluate your karma, wow, I'm not clean enough. I got something that I attached and I not let go. Then when you realize bad karma, then you want to go to space and empty that. Oh, cannot go, cannot. It's clinking inside. That means before you practice mundane meditation, okay, because you not clean and clear all bad karma in your heart. Okay, or maybe you just people speak something, you maybe think bad. Okay, they not talk, they not speak bad to you, but you think bad. Okay, when you do meditation, oh, cannot wake up because you think bad. You got bad karma. Okay, so start from good karma. Okay, now if now you feel that you got bad karma, the way to clean and clear bad karma straight away by smiling and just keep follow your breathing with smile. So every time you just smile and keep follow your breathing with smile, because the whole day you do good, you did good karma, bad karma the whole day. Okay, so smile and keep follow your breathing first. Even you open eye, you can keep follow your breathing, your mind, your heart with breathing, your heart with breathing in and breathing out, and all sanya perception is impermanent. When you come awareness of breathing, then all sanya, the bad karma, maybe it gone away. Okay, because you develop good sanya with smiling, gladness with your breathing, so develop good sanya, good karma. Okay, but more and more in meditative state, you must cross over all sanya, even bad or good, cross over. But in the beginning, just get away all bad karma, bad sanya, okay, and do good karma. Now smile again and keep follow your breathing. Now you come back to your pure mind. You can open eye or you can close your eye, because I not tell you to focus your breathing. I tell you keep follow your breathing. Focus your breathing is samadhi in the level of thought. Keep follow your breathing is develop more awareness in your heart, awareness of breathing. Is more purify your mind. Okay? Purify your heart. Keep follow your breathing. Keep follow your breathing. You can sit any posture. Relax and keep follow your breathing. Okay? You can move and keep follow your breathing. Okay? In your office, you can keep follow your breathing. Drink coffee, keep follow your breathing. With smile. This is super mundane meditation. Lokuttara Samadhi. Lokuttara Samadhi is purify your heart from all desire, clinging, and attachment. Okay? You feel good now? And realizing that I'm not scaring, you're not scaring now. Okay? Not scary of that now. You accept. More accept, you got more pure mind, wake up. And then again come to awareness by keep follow your breathing again to develop more power of mind in your heart. And then realizing that, okay, you feel much better. Okay? This you will let go more attachment to this body. Even this body die today, I'm ready. Because I do good karma every day and more every moment. So now, from now on, promise yourself you will develop good karma more every day and every moment. That's all. The essential practice, the most important practice. Some people sit meditation 2 hours, but after that still angry, still attached in thought, attached in desire, and attached whatever attachment, okay, and worry, attached to children, worry. They got nothing, okay, nothing. Do meditation for nothing, okay. Meditation for develop good karma. Okay, that's why right effort in Satipatthana. First, right effort. Whatever bad karma, okay, just leave away. And when you live away, then the second right effort, not bring it into your heart again, bad karma. And the third right effort is develop good karma. What good karma not happen into your heart, develop more. And more, the fourth one, more develop good karma. This is in conclusion, develop good karma and get away from bad karma. That's all, the practice. Then you know how to develop meditation in daily life, doing good karma, good thought, good speak, good bodily action, good job. Okay? That's all. Then you go on the way to enlighten. If not in this life, but you go to the high level. Okay? People don't know chanting the whole day, but feel upset, worry a lot. They don't know chanting for what? For letting go. Okay? They don't know. They only chanting. Okay? Chanting and calm down the mind. But after chanting, they still worry something. Okay? So we chanting, and when you chanting, if you contemplate that, when you are near to that, like you go on the rock climbing, it near to that, if you falling, maybe you dead, rock climbing, then you got movement, you know, breathing, you know, movement, you know, breathing, you know. So every step you walk, just realizing that every step, just one time. When you got one time realizing that, maybe you got 10-15 minutes very good mindfulness. After that you forgot, then one time again. Are you ready? If you die now, okay, walk mindfully, eat mindfully, and then more mindfulness. When you are realizing that and accept, then it connect to breathing. Then you got Kaya Kata Sati, 6 component, contemplate that. Then you got connect to breathing. Then it connect to the whole component. The first component is breathing. Then when you got accept that, you got awareness for breathing. And then you got awareness of everything in the 6 component. And now you are wake up already. Okay? And we just stop this session, take a rest, and then just walking and contemplate that. And then follow your bodily action. Because you walk, follow your body action. Okay? But if you not walk, you sitting, follow your breathing. Okay? You do only samatha and contemplate that. Okay? Then you got vipassana. You got satipatthana fulfill. And you go on the way to enlightenment in this very life with Dhamma eye in this very life. And got Dhamma eye seeing into the Dhamma of Buddha with more wisdom and wisdom to get enlightenment in this very life, everybody. Sadhu, sadhu, sadhu.